So just doing some test filming on this Crosstour 4K Wi-Fi camera to see how it does in this 2018 GT350. The GT350 has a 5.2 liter V8 Voodoo engine, which is loud. So if you guys can hear me, that's thanks to this nice microphone that comes with the Crosstour. I don't know why, but it's really hard to find a sports action camera that doesn't have an external microphone, but thankfully the Crosstour does. So I've tested out a lot of action cameras over the past couple of years because I have a YouTube channel and I record video on motorcycles as well as sports cars. So I need action cameras, especially since sometimes they get destroyed. But I gotta say that this Crosstour 4K Wi-Fi camera is the best sub. Oh, shut your little mouth, you little wench, you bar wench. Excuse me. So I must say this Crosstour 4K action camera is the best sub $100 action camera that I have. The video is crisp, as you guys can see. This 4K is really good looking 4K. Sometimes companies say it's 4K, but it's really not. This does actually have good 4K. Right now I'm in 1080. Right now I'm in 1080p at 30 FPS because that's how I like to vlog. The camera does also have 60 FPS, but unless I'm doing something like slow motion shots, I usually do 30 FPS. The Crosstour has tons of features that you would expect on an action camera, such as image stabilization, parking modes, the ability to change the exposure and white balance and all that kind of good stuff. All the standard features that you would expect. So just out here seeing how it does on the road, let's go ahead and turn the camera around and get a first person view here. Unfortunately, spring is not in full swing yet, so there's not a lot of vivid colors. And I do have a layer of dirt on my windshield, sorry about that. But you get the picture, no pun intended. So what do you guys think? Can you hear me over the engine? All right, so this concludes the road test of the Crosstour 4K Wi-Fi action camera. Alright guys, so now that you can see my beard, you know that I've been using this thing for several weeks. This CT8500. It's got all the bells and whistles. It's got the Wi-Fi. It's rechargeable. It's got the stability control. Pretty much everything you need. Plus, it's got that super important and super rare external microphone, which sounds awesome in my car, in my loud car, even on my motorcycle or outside doing sports. Totally essential. I am giving this little guy 5 stars. Highly recommended. Go buy it.